Work with mice at Imperial College London has shown that high-frequency sound waves, delivered through a contact gel in the same way ultrasound is used on pregnant women, can open parts of the blood-brain barrier.
So you can think of it as a kind of gateway or border patrol that is saying the brain needs glucose, that's allowed in. All the foreign pathogens, you're stopped at the door, you're not allowed to come into the brain.
Researchers inject microbubbles into the bloodstream, and targeted sound waves make them vibrate, causing cells in the blood vessel walls to flex to allow drugs to pass through into the brain. Similar research is being conducted at Sunnybrook Health Sciences Center in Toronto. Alzheimer's patient Rick Carr is part of a small trial to see whether specially targeted sound waves could break a temporary hole in the blood-brain barrier. The experiment with Carr and 5 other Alzheimer's patients shows the barrier opened, let some harmless dye seep in, and then sealed back up.
It just took 2 ultrasound treatments to show that the blood-brain barrier can be opened. It's very exciting. I feel quite emotional about it because there's a lot riding on this, and it's a whole new world of possibilities, but we have to take one step at a time. We have to make it safe, sure it's safe.
Once MRI scans pinpoint the desired brain location, researchers beam what's called focused ultrasound right at that spot. Further innovations will allow even more precise targeting.
We can create these complex arrays where we can create multiple beam patterns. We can make large beams, small beams. We can steer the beam to any location in the brain. So the technology is so advanced at this point where we can actually deliver the drug to any region of the brain if we can design the transducer in a particular way.
Any likelihood of a therapy is a long way off, but with the burden of dementia growing in many societies around the world, the need for a solution is driving scientists to explore every possible approach. I'm Faith Lapidus, VOA News.